You're exhausted? You've been at this for 20 years, maybe 30. You're doing everything that you've been told to do. And the scale just keeps going up. Listen to me. You are not broken. You are just listening to the wrong people. You are listening to people who don't know. I have coached for 30 years, professional athletes, national level bodybuilders, moms, women in all different walks of life. And I'm going to tell you something that the fitness industry will not tell you because they can't sell it. Working harder is the reason you are gaining weight. If you are a woman over 40 who is done with the people who have no idea what they're talking about, I'm not saying they're lying, but they don't know what they're talking about, okay? Please subscribe. Every week, I tell you the truth about training, nutrition, recovery, so you can stop spinning your wheels and finally start seeing results. Here's what's actually happening. You're a woman, maybe you're a mom, you're over 40, and your body is already running on stress all day long. Kids, work, the house, aging parents, a toddler maybe up at 2 a.m., a teenager rolling in late. Your nervous system is maxed out before you even get your shoes on in the morning. Then you walk into a 60-minute spin class or high-intensity interval training 5 days a week, or you start running again because it worked at 28, and your body does the only thing it can do. It holds on to fat, to your midsection, to every calorie it can find. It shuts your metabolism down. It steals your sleep. It stops building muscle. This isn't willpower. This is your body trying to survive you. And that workout you're so proud of, it's part of the problem. The smarter you are, the worse it gets. Because women like you don't quit. You double down. You eat less. You train more. You add the 5 a.m. session on top of the evening one. And your body digs in harder. I had a woman come to me last year, 44 years old, 2 kids, 5 group classes a week, 10,000 steps a day, eating 1,200 calories a day. She had gained 8 pounds in 6 months. 8 pounds, basically starving. She wasn't crazy. She was just so deep in a cortisol pit that her body had stopped trusting her. We cut her workouts in half, doubled her protein. 3 months later, down 12 pounds. Sleeping through the night, lifting heavier than she ever has. Less wasn't lazy. Less was the answer. I've seen it hundreds of times. Working harder is actually costing you 3 things. 1, muscle. You lose 1% of your muscle per year after 40 if you're not actively fighting for it. Excessive cardio plus under-eating speeds it up. So that thing you're trying to hold on to, you're just burning it off. Cortisol pumping at 9 p.m. is why you're staring at the ceiling at midnight. And bad sleep is the absolute fastest way to gain fat around your midsection, period. Your body starts begging you for sugar at 3 p.m. and after dinner. And then you blame your willpower. It's not willpower. It's your biology screaming for help. So here's what to do instead. It's the opposite of what you're doing right now. 2 heavy strength sessions per week. That's it. 2. Hinges, presses, squats, pulls, real load, not little pink dumbbells. Heavy enough that you feel it. Walk every day, 30 to 45 minutes. Push a stroller, walk the dog, throw your earbuds in. Walking is medicine for a woman over 40. Protein, 0.8 to 1 gram. 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per your goal body weight each day. You're probably eating half of what you need. 2 full rest days. Rest is part of the program. Not active recovery, but rest. Sleep a little extra. Sit on the couch. Watch your child's game without trying to get steps in. And stop chasing soreness. Feeling wrecked is not a sign your workout worked. It's a sign that your body took on more debt than it can pay back. I'm going to tell you something I learned the hard way. In my 20s, I trained like a machine. 2-a-days, cardio at 5 a.m., lifting at night. I could push my body into the ground and it always came back. I tried that in my late 30s after I had a few babies. My body said no. I gained weight training harder than ever. I was exhausted. I was inflamed. I couldn't sleep. So I had to do the thing that felt completely backwards to a competitive athlete. I had to do less. 2 heavy lifts a week, walking, sleep, real food. I'm 49 now. I'm stronger than I was at 30. It wasn't more, it was less, but done right. More isn't better, better is better. So here's the truth. You've been working out for 20 years. You've been told to push harder, eat less, try more, and it hasn't worked. It was never gonna work. Not because you failed, because the plan was wrong. You're not broken. Your plan is. If you want a plan built for the body that you actually have and the life you actually live, head to my website, kellytekin.com, and apply for coaching. I read every application myself. You've got this. Go out and make it a great day.